Hey guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking and thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. Yes guys, it's Sunday morning. I love Sunday. And yes, that's my kitchen behind there. That's my hoodie. Yes, the reason why I am making this video guys, it's because I want to make a smoothie and it's 9:30 in the morning. I'm so hungry. I need to eat something. But I thought, hey, let me come here before I go somewhere. As you can tell, it's Sunday morning. You never know what I'm going to do on Sunday. I may go to find content for you. Guys, I don't know when I'm talking. This is a microphone. The reason why I bought this microphone, let me tell you a little bit before we start making smoothie, okay? The reason why I bought this microphone is that most of you guys have been complaining that, oh, Moto Lifestyle, you speak so low. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm going to buy a microphone. Now I have a microphone, which I'm going to make a good video, a review about this microphone. So yeah, it's a wireless microphone I'm using. But today, I'm using it. And most of the time when I'm using this microphone, I found myself doing hands like this and I move the microphone away from my mouth. And most of the time you don't hear me. That's why I'm like, maybe I need to hook it here so that you guys can hear me. Let's try to hook it on my shirt. Hopefully it's going to produce sound. What do you think over here? I think over here is perfect. You guys, you can hear me. So I am going to make a smoothie this Sunday morning because I'm going somewhere. I need to quick smoothie and then get out the door. But I just wanted to let you know, as you know, if you have watched my previous videos, I have been drinking okra water. Yes, and my tummy is getting flatter. I'm telling you. I'm going to just do it and then I'm going to give you a result maybe after a month or 2 months. And I can see myself, you know, I'm shedding a little bit of pounds. I can feel myself lighter. So I am using okra water every morning before I drink anything. Okay, so I drink okra water and then I eat my breakfast. So today I'm going to do this okra water in a different style. I am going to use this okra water to make my smoothie. And this okra water has been sitting overnight. As you can see, the okra, usually when you put it on the bottle, it's just floating up here. But when it's say overnight, it drops in the middle. And this is what you want to see because the water in here is so slimy. So the water is so slimy. So I'm going to use this okra water to make my smoothie. Of course, I'm going to be mixing with my banana. Yes, my banana is so ripe until it's brown. So that's why I want to finish these bananas quick before they spoil. So I'm going to use my okra water, my banana, of course, and I am going to use my pineapple and I'm going to mix a little bit of strawberry, which are on my fridge. I need to show you a little bit. So I'm going to use my blender. For those ones who are new here, I just bought a new Ninja blender. Yes, it's a new Ninja blender. Go to my channel here, over there. You can see how I unboxed my new blender. I'm telling you, this blender, let me show you. Yes, guys, this is my new Ninja Deluxe blender. Yes, this is the base. This is the machine. It's not really heavy, but it can be heavy, you know. But this is the blender, and it came with a lot of compartment. It's 3-in-1. It has this food processor, which I'm going to make a video of details of the use of all this, okay? The use of all these compartments, okay? So the food processor, it has another picture here. Oh my goodness, this blender is massive. I don't know if I ever gonna use this one, but I may use it when I have a party, graduations, occasions. That's when we are going to blend in here lots of smoothies or whenever we feel like we need to blend. And when we need to cook or process anything, food, we are going to crush it in here. So I'm gonna do a good details a video of all, what's their name, what's their purpose, because there's so many. So I'm gonna do this, but today I'm going to use this single serving cup. This is my favorite. Like, I use this every day. We have 2 of them, so one is mine, one is my happy. So we use this single serving cups. This is a cup. It's a really huge cup. So we use this one every day with the blending here. I'll put my blender here. So today I am going to use this one to make a smoothie, but I'm going to use okra water. So let me put this blender over here and then I'll show you. And yes, I got my strawberry. I'm running out of strawberry, but don't worry, I'll get more strawberry, okay? So let me peel this strawberry, put them in here, get my mango, put it in there, get my banana, put it in there, get my pineapple, put it in there, and of course, my okra water. And guess today, I am going to use a little bit of honey. Yes, this is natural honey. I'm going to use a little bit of drops in my smoothie. Okay, let me just put everything together and then show you how it looks like. Stay here. And guys, when I'm peeling my mango, I don't peel it. I just put the whole ravage with the skin. I love it. Oops. It's so sweet. I'm tempted. I'm sorry. We were making smoothie. Drop it in a cup. So I'm building my cup. So far, I have put my strawberry. I have put my mango. I'm about to drop in my banana. Let's keep going. Oh well, guys, finally I have built my smoothie. This is what I feel like I should drink this morning. I have my strawberry, mango, banana, and my pineapple. Of course, I am going to put my okra water. Let me show you how slimy this is. Let me get my spoon. Look, guys. This is okra water. It's so yummy. Guys, can you drink this? And I'm going to tell you what I have been doing with okra water. You know, I've been drinking okra water, but I've been doing something else that I'm going to be showing you. You'll be amazed how this okra water works. And I have this okra water in my little garden, my kitchen garden outside. I'm telling you. So let's add this okra water in my smoothie. Yay, so slimy there. Whoa, whoa. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Yes. Oh, yeah. Now, this is how my smoothie is going to be. But I'm going to use this shredder. This is my Ninja shredder. And of course, this is a shredder. This shredder has the sharp knives. I can call the knife edges here. These are knives. If you touch them, you're going to cut your hand or whatever. So they warn you. They're really sharp. They're meant to crush everything here, okay? So I'm going to use this. After I finish this, I'm going to put a lid. This is a lid that I'm going to finish. I'm going to show you. But for now, let's go ahead and cover it up with this shredder. See? The shredder goes in there. And make sure, guys, this thing sometimes can be tricky. Make sure it goes in there really smooth. Okay? Make sure you lock it. So, my okra, slimy, fruity, is ready to be shredded. Even if I turn this way, it's not going to spill. So we need to go this one and lock it in my Ninja base blender. Let's go. Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, well, guys, this is the base blender right here. So we are going to get our cup and we make sure our cup is locked in here. Make sure you twist it when you lock it in here and make sure you can hear the click. Did you hear the click? Yes, that's what you need to hear. Of course, the cord is blocked in there on the wall. So we need to turn this thing on, and it's on. And we are going to make a smoothie. We're not going to make puree or we're not making frozen, but we turn around and this thing is auto, okay? So we told our machine that we are going to make smoothie and it can listen to hers. And our smoothie is right here. Look, it's not even shredded, but the moment I turn this motor on, oh my goodness, it's so powerful. So watch. So I'm gonna push this wheel inside and it's going to be so loud. I'm not going to turn it up. I want you guys to hear. Ready, set, go. Do you see how it's and it's counting? It's 44. You see how powerful it is? We got 29 seconds to go. Oh well, guys, our smoothie is so done. Do you see how well it's blended? This ninja machine actually is so powerful. It's just magic. It's like changing lives. Okay, it has changed my life. I don't have to, use the other machine to just wait and wait. This is just seconds, and you have your smoothie. So I'm going to remove the shredder. This is a shredder. Look, look. This was the shredder. Look what it did. It shredded everything in here. Make sure you wash it really thorough. And when you keep it, make sure you turn it down because don't touch it. It's way sharp. So I'm going to wash this. But before that, I'm going to put the lid. This is a shredder. Now my lid is here. You see? This is a lid and this is a cup. And we are going now to make sure you cover it up. I'm ready to go where I was going with my smoothie, and this is my breakfast. You can decide to use, because it's a cup, you can decide to use without a straw, which I'm going to show you. Well, oh my goodness, it's really good. You can use this, or if you are fancy like a moto lifestyle, you can use a straw. So I'm going to put my straw and I am going to enjoy my smoothie. Wow, seriously, this is amazing. Guys, if you have not subscribed to Umoto Lifestyle, oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to Umoto Lifestyle. Umoto Lifestyle is about authentic. I make videos about my lifestyle here in the US. I do cooking, I do traveling, I do beauty, and of course, vlogs. I love vlogs a lot. So, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about this girl, Umoto Lifestyle. Okay, guys, from my kitchen to you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.